Business Economic MCQs Part 5. Moving average can be used to measure a dash. Option A trade cycle, option B revenue, option C trend, option D all of the above. The correct answer is option C trend. Moving average can be used to measure a trend. Under dash method, salesmen are asked to estimate expected sale. Option A statistical, option B survey, option C collective opinion, option D none of this. The correct answer is option C collective opinions. Under collective opinion method, salesmen are asked to estimate expected sales. Dash forecasting uses historical figures to predict future result. Option A Delphi method, option B time series, option C survey method, option D none of this. The correct answer is option B time series. The main aim of demand forecasting is to perceive dash demand for the product. Option A present, option B future, option C past, option D none of this. The correct answer is option B future. The aim of demand forecasting is to perceive future demand for the product. The dash method uses time series data. Option A trend, option B statistical, option C survey, option D none of this. The correct answer is option A trend. Demand forecasting is essential to fix dash target. Option A production, option B sales, option C manufacturing, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option B sales. Demand forecasting is an estimate of the dash demand, present, past, future or none of this. The correct answer is option C future. Demand forecasting is an estimate of the future demand. Trend refer to short-term variation, option B long-term movement of data, option C perfections, option D regression. The correct answer is option B long-term movement of data. An average of past observation used to predict future referred to option A Delphi method, option B moving average method, option C sales, option D monarchical scale. The correct answer is option B moving average method. Which of the following component of time cover analysis refer to long-term period? Option A trade cycle, option B trend, option C revenue variation, option D all of the above. The correct answer is option B trend. Demand forecasting is always option A conditional, option B unreliable, option C accurate, option D trustworthy. The correct answer is option A conditional. Demand forecasting is always conditional. Seasonal trend refer to option A cycling fluctuation, option B variation within a year time, option C very long period, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option B variation within a year time. So seasonal trend refer to variation within a year time. Demand forecasting is the estimate of the dash demand. Past, option B present, option C future, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option C future. The method of demand forecasting is R. Option A survey method, option B statistical method, option D Delphi method, option D all of this. The correct answer is all three are demand forecasting methods. So correct option is answer D all of this. The dash method uses time series data. Option A sample survey, option D Delphi method, option C laboratory experimentation, option D trend. The correct answer is option D trend. The trend method uses time series data. Expert opinion is a dash. Option A Delphi method, option B statistical method, option C both A and B, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option A Delphi method. Production functions refer to dash of input into output. Option A transformation, option B mixture, option C removal, option D none of this. The correct answer is option A transformation. Production function refer to transformation of input into output. Additional weight of total product by adding on extra unit of labor is defined as the dash of labor. Option A marginal product, option B total product, option C average product, option D none of this. The correct answer is option A marginal product. Additional weight of total product by adding on extra unit of labor is defined as a marginal of labor. A producer output equilibrium is determined at the point of dash between isoquant and isocost lines. Option A tangency, option B maximum, option C minimum, option D constant. The correct answer is option A tangency. A producer output equilibrium is determined at the point of tangency between isoquant and isoquest lines. A proportional increase in output in relation to the charge in input implies dash return to scale. Option E minimum, option B constant, option C maximum, option D none of this. The correct answer is option B constant. A proportion change increase in output in relation to the change in input implies constant return to scale. When a percentage change in output is greater than that of input, it is a phenomena of dash. Option A return to scale, option B constant increasing, option C decreasing, option C D none of this. The correct answer is option B constant increasing. So when the percentage change in output is greater than that of input, it is a phenomena of constant increasing. When marginal product is zero, total product is option A constant, option B minimum, option C maximum, option D none of this. The correct answer here is option C maximum. When marginal product is zero, total product is maximum. Labor economy is caused by better organization, option B time management, option C specialization division of labor, option D metallurgical efficiency. The correct answer here is option C specialization or division of labor. So labor economy is caused by specialization, or you can call this as a division of labor. When marginal cost per unit decline, it is a case of dash. Option A national economy, option B regional economy, option C monarchical economy, option D none of this. The correct answer is option C monarchical economy. A firm experiences dash economy of scale when its size expands. Option B external, option B internal, option C both internal and external, option D none of this. The correct answer is option B internal. So firm experience internal economy of scale when its size expands. For more MCQs, please prefer subscribing and click on notification bell icon for the next part. Thank you.